My name is Carlos Simon. I am professor at the University of Valencia and the head of the scientific board of Igenomix. Our focus is to improve the efficiency of IVF treatments worldwide. So far, with our actual clinical performance, we are hitting for 30% live birth. So we just taking the science surrounding what is the clinical facts today, we hope to double this live birth rate by improving our knowledge of both the embryo and the endometrium. We aim to improve efficiency while we improve safety in the treatments that we are performing and escorting to our colleagues worldwide. Well, we have adopted the Thermo Fisher platform for our genetic test that we are using in both cases, in the embryo and the endometrium, and we have been, running this test now for many years, and this is very stable, and the results that we are getting from that, they are really good. So that's the point. I think that we are just warming up on this, because non-invasive is going to be very important in the near future. Now the big bid is on the liquid tumor biopsies. For other fields, in our field, we aim to learn how is the embryo by analyzing the cell-free DNA. The NIPT nowadays is completely established. So I think that more and more we are going to non-invasive ways to have the screening. We have to offer that basically.